So from last week's video, I showed you a video sequence of making egg avocado toast. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I captured each scene. You'll get to see how I lit each shot, you'll get to see the different variations and the different angles that I captured, and just the overall filming process, which I hope just by watching it can be really helpful for you. Also, I've left timestamps down below this video, so if you want to skip around to specific scenes, you can do that too. All right, here's the video. Okay, so that's how I captured footage for this recipe video. Just remember that this is only the coverage side of the process, and there are tons of ways that this footage can be edited. It really just depends on what you're going for. The key here again is how much coverage you're getting in the filming stage so that you have more flexibility of options when you get into the post-production stage. All right, and here is the final result once again. That is, of course, if you've already seen last week's video, but if not, then here it is for the first time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the process you just saw, leave them in the comments down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and hit subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. And as always, I hope you're doing well and are staying safe, and I will talk to you guys next time.